It's a real plant haul, you all. How much do you all think I'm going to spend? $150. Possibly $110. We're going to see. All right, you all. I am in Mississippi. I am in Mississippi. Oh my gosh, they have their plants outside in the summer heat. Oh, that looks like a clearance plant right there. Oh gosh. Now I've been looking at these 132 Weeping Alice. Oh yeah, look at this. I need to find out if they can give me that on clearance. And if they even have a clearance rack. Wow, this is what things look like in Mississippi. And 54, they tags, they just got like these prices. Oh wow, Shapika, Laurel, Cherry Laurel. You all, wow, it's hot out here. Okay, I'm going to pick some up as a representation. Let's see. I know these Japanese maples. Okay, it's the same price. Things should be cheaper in Mississippi, shouldn't they? Oh gosh, we're in Marcus State. What about their $50 for their? Okay. Oh wow. We got roses, gold. I'm loving yellow roses this year. So I'm going to head on the inside and see if they have a clearance section. Wow. Is this all people do here is garden? Oh wow, I see carts on the side over there. That's a pretty dark Callias. It's like fall colors. Ooh, burgundy. Apologize for the shadows. Here's a proven winners container. Blown away. Guess it'll get double blooms Lucius and blew my mind. Okay. Let's see. Oh, you are. I cannot make this garden center up. You see all of those plants? Oh my gosh. Hello. Do you all have a clearance rack?
You're talking about the plants? Should be in the back corner.
Okay.
But
I'm just visiting.
they have to be painted with those colors. If they're not those colors, they're not on clearance, even though they're back there.
Okay, in the back. In the back left.
Corner, on this far corner.
Thank you. Okay. They have to be, you all seen, they have to be, oh, what's this? We don't have I haven't seen a barberry yet this year. Oh, surprisingly, they're not sharp. I haven't seen them yet in my Lowe's. Rose, knockout roses. You all, I see racks. Oh my gosh. But it's a ton of more plants. We'll get to it. You all, I'm excited. My Lowe's haven't looked like this in so long. All right. Alberta spruce. Green. Oh, I don't know. I see green. So I have to see what green is, because those Alberta spruces will be coming with me. Okay. Green, Carolina cypress. Oh, you all. Everything green. $72 for that one. Green, $68. Okay. These the blue rub junipers, which I need. These have not went on clearance in my store, so I will be right back. Well, I found a way to stack them on my cart. Okay, and now I'm about to head to check out this. So Marcus told me that we have plenty of space for this. He said it's a big truck, so
I assume wrong.
We're gonna see. Okay.
So
All right. They made it, you all. They made it. Can't even tell. Bags on that side. Plants. Oh, I don't have time to go through all the rest of the plants, but they even have an outside garden on the side. It's just too many plants. This is the size of many nurseries. But I did see this and I wanted to know, so let's find out what type of shrub this is that was dying. Oh my God, the hydrangea sweet summer. For all the hydrangea lovers, I knew it. I knew it. Green. Oh my gosh, it's 50% off, but I don't think I want that for 50% off. So that means that they have discounts on the side. Oh my gosh, this is, you all, I just bought all of that. And now, look at this. More discounts. Oh, I could train this up as a tree. It better not be on sale. I promise you. It better not be on sale. Oh my gosh, I just blew. This is their other clearance section. None of these hydrangeas have. Oh, I found one inside. It does. So what they do, they come out here and find the worst ones. I see what they do, and then they just mark them green. Yeah, that's what they do. Okay, let me just skim through here really fast. More hydrangeas. Twist and shout. Okay, that's it. This is probably going to be the longest plant haul I've ever done. The largest plant haul, but it goes to show you all. Oh, that's berry. That I love plants, and that's the truth. I love them. But that hydrangea right there is coming with me. I don't care what happens.